The Low Carbon Built Environment project at the Welsh School of Architecture has involved the integration of low carbon technologies into the built environment, particularly focusing on housing. So it involves combining reduced energy demand solutions with renewable energy supply and energy storage, so things like batteries to help reduce energy use and carbon emissions.
So our approach was to do fabric first, and you add then active systems such as heat pumps, storage, ventilation, smart systems. The whole house approach is important because if you just add one system, then you may have some CO2 reductions, but in terms of energy and cost, you are not going to have the same benefit. Fabric first approach, systems and renewable energies would facilitate everything to work together. It's not only about reducing energy, cost and CO2, it's increasing the comfort in the houses and reducing health problems.
In terms of social housing, we are all trying to build now to net zero. The hard job is retrofitting older properties. We've got a lot more older buildings to tackle in Wales than we have new. A lot of the solutions that we come up with are really costly, and we're spending public money, so we have to make sure it's going on the appropriate things. Working with Welsh School of Architecture, and the brilliant thing for us has been is we can evidence that these solutions are going to be effective. So we've seen major benefits with energy efficiency of properties and obviously running costs for our residents.
I think it's really important that collaboration happens and that people communicate with each other to ensure that these solutions are installed correctly and work well. And part of that is developing the skills and supply chain going forwards to benefit both the people living in the homes, but also really strive towards achieving net zero going forwards.
We're already seeing that our curriculum is being enhanced with new short, sharp courses in decarbonisation and net zero technologies, and also to have partners on board such as Welsh School of Architecture have the research base and knowledge and understanding behind them to help inform the skills that we're going to need in the future is absolutely crucial for us.
So given this opportunity with the Welsh School of Architecture, it was a good learning curve to work with somebody a little bit more technical, because I can install all day long and be governed by building regulations of what they require. But understanding the more technical side of it then has been a game changer for me.
It is very important for all the work that we do here to be replicated. We want it for people to be able to use what we've learned to build low-carbon homes or to retrofit low-carbon homes. Reduction of carbon emissions is not a wish to make, it's an obligation to ourselves, to the community, to the next generations.